Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss about tenses, and in this class, this is the first class, so we are going to learn about present tense. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe because I am going to teach you the present tense in the simplest way. So let's start. Before we start this video, I need to teach you, before we start tenses, it's very important for you to let you know that how sentences are composed in English. So in English, whenever we speak in English, the sentence is made up of three things. That is subject, verb and object. The person who does work in a sentence is always called subject. Let's take an example here. Like if I talk about Ram plays football, in this sentence, Ram is a subject. As I told you earlier that the person who does work in a sentence is called subject. And then on the second place, I have put plays. The plays, the activity. What he does, he plays. The activity which is being done is called verb. And the thing which we are talking about is football. That comes on the third place. That is called object. So this is how we compose words. So sentence is made up of subject, verb and object. Now we'll move on and we'll discuss about simple present tense. If I talk about simple present tense, then if I am talking about myself, what is present? Before teaching you simple present tense, we all should know what is present. The time which is going on is called present. So if I talk about this tense, then if I am talking about myself, I'll be definitely, if I am talking about myself, I'll be using I as in subject. So first I'll teach you that if the subject is I, then you need to put first form of verb. As I told you, subject, if subject is I, you need to use first form of verb whenever you are speaking about present activity. Let's say if I tell you to speak about your daily activity, then there you have to use first form of verb, and that is how you'll be very easily able to compose one paragraph that would be about your daily routine. Like if I say I get up early in the morning, then after I do this, I take bath, I take my breakfast. That's how present simple tense is done as far as I subject is concerned. So I really want you to write your daily activity in the comment section so that I can know what you have learned from this video. Now let's talk about other subjects. Like as far as I is concerned, I told you about that you have to use first form of verb whenever you are talking about your daily activities. As far as he, she or any other subject is concerned, like any other singular subject is concerned, like he, she or any name of any person, you have to use subject, he, she, first form of verb plus s or es, that depending upon the verb you are using. If you are talking about your activities that you do on daily basis, you need to use first form of verb. Whereas any singular subject is concerned, like let's say if you are talking about your mother's daily routine, your father's daily routine, you have to use first form plus ses. Like she gets up early in the morning, she goes to temple daily, she cooks food for me. Whatever you want, you can write that, but the thing is you have to use first form plus s or es. So I need to summarize it in the end. Like if I am talking about I and plural subject is concerned, we have to use first form of verb, or if it is he, she or any singular subject, we have to use first form plus s or es. I hope present simple tense is clear to you. Now let's talk about if you need to talk in negative. If we talk about negative sentences, then I or plural. Plural in the sense if you are talking about more than one people, like they, you, these sort of subjects, then you have to use do not. If I say that I don't, like if you need to speak anything in negative, then you have to say I don't cook food, I don't go to temple daily, or anything which you need to speak in negative, then you have to use I do not. Whereas if you talk about any third person, I mean any singular subject, like as I told you about your mother, father, you have to use S or ES in positive. In negative, you have to use does not. I mean, he does not wake up late. That is how you need to compose sentences. So, in simple words, if I say present tense, required to know that you have to use first form of verb if the subject is I or plural. Whereas in negative, it takes do not plus first form of verb. If I talk about singular subject, in this positive sentences, you have to use does like first form plus S or ES. Whereas in negative, you have to use does not plus first form of verb. I hope you have cleared with present simple sentence. If you feel any sort of difficulty while attempting or while speaking, while composing, you can write that in comment section. I will surely revert you back. I'll surely revert each and every comment back for sure. So this is what about present tense. Till then, bye-bye. And we are going to discuss about each and everything, each and every tense in my further video. For that very purpose, I want you to subscribe my channel and please like this video if you think that you learned something in this. Thank you so much. Thank you. Keep supporting, keep watching. Happy learning. Bye-bye.